Hello and welcome to Let's Play League of Legends, and I'm doing a custom build of Teemo. It's going to be a hybrid build, mostly focusing on his poison damage and attack speed. So this guy might not be for everyone, but he is super squishy in the beginning, but mid-game he's really strong and he's quite a team player. So check it out, I hope you like it. First thing I get is Toxic Shot, so I mostly focus on that and move quick in the beginning because you're not going to be fighting players, you're going to be mostly just making money and leveling up. So if you like to fight right from the beginning, this build is probably not for you. This is more of kind of a jungler slash, mid-game, late-game kind of build. So the first thing I bought is Boots of Speed, because Teemo's kind of slow in the beginning, and you need your speed.
30 seconds until minions spawn.
I'm also playing against bots just to show you the build. Usually you have to use other strategies when you're playing players.
Minions have spawned.
Okay, just attack her right away and run back.
I'll scout ahead.
So in the beginning you're just going to be making gold and not fighting the enemy.
Armed and ready.
So we're gonna get run, because you're gonna need it. What you could do is you could cast Ignite on her in the beginning,
Sir.
and that's gonna make her kind of weaker.
Hut, 2, 3, 4.
And keep powering your Toxic Shot.
I'll scout ahead.
If she's chasing you, just get out of there. So the first item you're gonna get is Runan's Hurricane. And you're gonna get the daggers. The reason I chose this item is because it's really good for making gold. Every time you shoot, it shoots out 3 different projectiles, and each projectile causes poison damage, so it's really good for beginning of the game. She's actually doing pretty good right now, so you might want to attack her a little bit. Back. Here we go.
Armed and ready.
Level up, do another run. So in the beginning you're gonna be really weak, but just play through it. If you're playing with friends, make sure not to go alone down the lane. And now we're gonna get Blaine there, because you're gonna wanna start pushing her a little bit. But be careful with the tower. It will start attacking you if you attack her.
Yes, sir.
That's pretty much how I die every time I play this. Is mostly the tower kills me, not the player. So watch out for that. Hit her with another poison dart,
I'll scout ahead.
and just run away. And another poison dart, run away.
Yes, sir.
The thing about poison damage is it really does good damage over time. So it's not gonna be a right away kind of thing. Just, you know, just run.
Swiftly.
You'll get her. And, one more time.
One, two, three, four.
Okay. Get your traps as soon as possible. This is really gonna make the difference in this game. Traps are probably my favorite item or skill in this game. It's really if Teemo wasn't so squishy, I would focus
Blood.
on that, just on the traps. So you might see a build from me, just a mushroom build in the future. Get out of there. So you have enough money right now to buy something else, and I would just put down a mushroom. I don't have any. Buy another dagger.
I'll scout ahead.
And go back to mid. You can already see that the character is getting much stronger.
An enemy has been slain.
You could take her. Just go for it. Okay.
2, 3, 4.
And more mushrooms. Mushrooms are great. When you need to run back, somebody's attacking you, they're gonna slow down the players. And also they do area attack. It's just really one of my favorite things in this game.
Armed and ready.
Okay, be careful.
Armed and ready.
Like I said, be careful. You wanna play smart. It's not about killing. In the beginning, it's not.
2, 3, 4. That's that.
Okay, run back. Run back. Hit her. Just
Yes, sir.
let's get more poison damage. Poison her.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Just mostly stay behind your. Now let the mushroom sticks out of it. At this point, I would go back and buy an item. Buy a bow. And
Swiftly.
another good thing about mushrooms is you can use them as almost as a tower, where you defend.
Hut, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, and we got all the poison damage.
Swiftly.
And we have that. Yeah, she thinks she's so good, but she really isn't.
I'll scout ahead.
You have slain an enemy.
Exactly. See how I was slaying her? I just used poison damage. I was not even there.
Reporting in.
So even in the beginning of the game, if you're just patient, you could kill a player, kill an enemy, whatever you like. It's gonna work.
Armed and ready.
Your turret has been destroyed.
So I'm gonna show you how good this item is right now. And I'm surprised it's missing from most of the Teemo builds, because it's gonna make you a ton of money. And we're gonna set up the next one, which is gonna be Berserker Greaves.
Hut, 2, 3,
And the reason I choose that is because I'd like to have a little damage in the beginning or mid game, like so I could start jungling.
I'll scout ahead.
Need some DA in the beginning. And once you jungle a couple of, then you could take on enemies very well.
Yes, sir.
Alright, do another run. Get around. See what I mean? It's gonna kill a lot of enemies. Look at that. It's shooting all three right now.
Armed and ready.
See? Oh, I forgot that. See? This is how I die every time. I forget the tower attacks. You can do it. Let's put another mushroom.
Armed and
Okay, we can't do it. Don't get greedy. Just fight. You get greedy, you're gonna die.
That's gotta sting.
Your team
There you go.
destroyed a turret.
And at this point, I would go back and buy something else.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now you got a little bit of, now you could go jungling. And I'm gonna go and just start jungling all of these guys right here. You'll see what I mean. Alright, like that, and just attack them. There you go. Just down the line. Wait until you have your mushroom, just put it right in the middle. And there you go. Excellent. And let's get one more. That's okay. We could, 2 is good. So now we're a little boosted. We can really do some damage. Uh-oh, we're being ganked. Use some. Let's do some of this. Some ignite. Make it difficult for them.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Even though I'm snared, I'm still doing okay. See? He's running away. But just be careful with the tower again. Run, run, run. Don't. Just run. It's not about who wins in the beginning. It's who wins in the end. Let's put another one before I go back. See, they're worried about Teemo already. Because Teemo is doing good. Then we're gonna load up Assure's 2, which is a really great item. And I think I'm gonna go ability at this point. But you can get daggers or ability. At this point you're pretty strong and you can just go and attack whatever. Mid, just I guess leave bottom for somebody stronger, but mid or bottom you can do it. You could run in between, and you can juggle, and you can do whatever you want. Let's see it. See, now we're really pushing it. Look at that. It's a beautiful thing. See? Doing good. At this point I would get another
1, 2, 3, 4.
just play it safe. You don't have to be the winner.
I'll scout ahead.
Just careful. Careful. And of course at this point just go back and buy some more stuff.
An enemy has been slain.
Buy some daggers, buy some daggers.
Yes, sir.
And we're gonna do some more jungling. Get some buffs, kill some enemies. Let's see. Very good. Let's get one more. At this point, I would even try to get the dragon. I mean, just go for it. If you die, you die. It's fine. It's part of the fun of this game.
An ally has been slain.
Okay, you're obviously too weak for the dragon. So, let's just get whoever's here.
That's gonna sting.
Good. And back to mid. Whoa. Okay.
Has been slain.
There's some stuff going on over here that I don't really like. But yeah, just hug your tower. let's load up ignite.
Swiftly.
Yeah. Just be careful. Hug your tower. Do that. Alright, run.
Armed and ready.
See, he might die from my poison. Let's do poison shot.
Yes, sir.
But see, I like to replace my towers with mushrooms. If you're in the party, just go for it.
Reporting in.
And be careful.
Armed and ready.
Just be careful. Hey, we got the tower, so we're doing really good.
He has destroyed a turret.
I'll scout ahead.
See, at this point, I'm already doing good.
Double kill.
Swiftly.
Alright, let's go back and buy our stuff. Because I think I'm gonna actually win this faster than my whole build. So I'm gonna have to slow down a little bit.
An ally has been slain.
Alright, once you get this item,
Kill.
you could pretty much fight players. We're gonna just load up our next item. This item is a must for Teemo. It's a really good item. It gives you a lot of health, a lot of ability, and also a lot of proc. And then after this, we're gonna get Wit's End. So that's gonna be another good one.
I'll scout ahead.
Alright, let's try to get the dragon now. So these three items are the key in this game. Basically, Nashor's Tooth, then you build Leandri's Torment, and then you build Wit's End. They all work together to
3, 4.
make your poison really hurt. And constantly